In this video we will look at the top 5 best nut and bolt extractor set available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. OMT Impact Nut and Bolt Extraction Tool Set. This IRWIN MotorTech extractor tool set includes both metric and SAE sockets in the most commonly needed sizes, all clearly marked on each socket. The black chrome molybdenum body renders the tools a strength and durability rare in its breed. Any good handyman will tell you how important it is for a bolt extractor set to be strong and durable, hence this set is bound to be their favorite. The ability to withstand increased torque due to the craftsmanship is only amplified by the high durability metal and make of the set. The working end of the extractors contains helically-shaped flutes to make the grips even stronger on many different types of fasteners, so you will not have to worry about what supporting tools you use with the set. Each socket is made from high-density chromoly steel for superior strength and durability under even punishing use. The heavy-duty blow-molded case keeps everything organized and easy to store or transport between jobs. Number 4. IRWIN Bolt Extractor Set. This bolt extractor set offers the users a combination of the 5 most common sizes of bolt extractors, which not only works on any type of faulty bolt but is also compatible with any type of fastener in the market. The devices retrieve bolts and nuts without devastating any surrounding metal and keeping, for example, the engine's threaded hole in safe. It has reverse spiral flutes that tightly grab and stripped, painted over, or rusty bolt and help you remove it. High carbon steel allows the extractor to work without being damaged so that you can use it again and again. Made of high quality carbon steel material, these extractors are tough and resilient. You won't be needing to replace these anytime soon. They have a universal lobular design that allows them to fit with all types of fasteners. The attractive plastic case makes for a lightweight carry for the regular and the expert user alike. So, if you are looking for a set of high quality and durable bolt extractors that do more than just get the job done, then this is exactly what you should be buying. Number 3. IRWIN Impact Bolt Nut Removal Extractor Socket Tool Set. If you are looking for a bolt extractor that will work with any project and last you years, then look no further. With its vanadium steel build and reverse flutes, the 13-piece set is your reliable companion for any broken, rusted or painted over bolt that may hinder your project. Maximum gripping power reverse spiral flutes are designed to bite down. 40 Cr chrome vanadium steel is tougher than tool steel, ensuring longer life and greater durability. The black oxidization treatment on the tools protects them from corrosion, extending the longevity of the tools by years. This set is really a combination of strong and lightweight materials to provide the best user experience in terms of convenience and durability. Works with most tools with a 3/8 square drive for use with hand ratchets, impact wrenches and air ratchets, hexagonal flats for use with flat wrench, pliers, adjustable wrench, sockets. Beautifully placed in a professional case, the 13 extractors are tastefully size marked on the side to take any guesswork out of the equation. The specialty of this set of extractors over other alternatives is its efficacy with flange bolts that have become rounded off due to usage. This is the cheapest 13-piece option on this list. So, if you're on a budget, then this is exactly what you should be getting. With the high-quality build and the service warranty, it seems like the manufacturer was hell-bent on putting all the worries of the customer to bed. Number 2. Topec Impact Bolt and Nut Remover Set. For power users, Topec brings the Topec Impact Bolt and Nut Remover. It has got 13 pieces of bolt extractor kit. Yes, 13 pieces. So, whether you need a bolt extractor for doing some fixing around the house or DIY projects or for professional use, the Topec Impact has got you covered. The sockets have a unique internal thread design that helps them get a better grip on the nuts and bolts you are trying to remove. Not to mention that the black oxide surface prevents corrosion, which in turn results in greater durability. All in all, this product will lay to rest any concerns about longevity. The sockets have various sizes. Both metric and SAE marks are on board, featuring excellent accuracy. The units are compatible with wrenches, pliers, and vice grips, working with spline, Torx, hex, octagon bolts, brass plugs, and various soft metal plugs. They also work with oil pan rounded bolts and oil drain plugs. An added benefit of availing this extractor is that you will be eligible for the service warranty from the dedicated after-sales team for any queries related to the product. Number 1. REXBETI Impact Bolt and Nut Remover Set. The set may be regarded as the best stripped screw extractor due to its high durability. All bolt and nut removers are made of molybdenum steel that also features corrosion resistance. The material contains chrome, making the set suitable for high pressure and temperature use. The manufacturers of the set did not stop at the durable parts but also produced a blow-molded case which is as much if not more heavy-duty as the parts it holds. The internal thread design can accommodate torque in combination with the tight grip due to the engineering, making it the go-to bolt extractor set for heavy-duty use. The set consists of 13 screw extractors sized from 0.31 to 0.75 inches. The sockets will neither crack nor get stuck. It comes in a hard red-colored molded case, keeping all the sockets in their places, even if the user drops the case. This product should be bought before it is needed so that it can be put to use as soon as the need comes up, because it is the ultimate DIY tool for home use. Instead of using a professional once for simple extraction applications that is so easily done through this set, the set can be bought for the same price and used multiple times, making it a value purchase. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.